Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to introduce you a smart refrigerator with family hub. This is new version 5.0 refrigerator with 4 French door. ये family hub आपके फ़ोन के साथ कनेक्ट हो जाता है, so you can upload pics. Tons of apps हैं इस family hub में. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं.
Instantly share photos from your phone to your family hub. Create your own customized family board home screens with handwritten notes, stickers, and photos. Sync your family's calendar and post family activities and events.
So it's called a family hub for a reason, because it's a very family friendly refrigerator. You can use the smart screen, which is basically a giant tablet. इस स्मार्ट फ्रीज में ऐसे भी ऐप्स हैं जिससे कि आप अपने अदर स्मार्ट डिवाइस को इससे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर आप बाहर हो और याद नहीं कि क्या लेना था, देन आप अपने फ़ोन से अपने फ्रिज के अंदर देख सकते हो कि व्हाट यू नीड.
Get recipes based on what's inside your fridge and create shopping lists. Enjoy your favorite music right from your family hub. Mirror your Samsung TV or phone onto your family hub. Dim your lights, interact with your favorite smart devices, and see who's at the door on your family hub. Receive notifications from connected appliances on your family hub.
The price of this smart freeze is 3399.99, means 3400 US dollar. Indian currency में almost rupees 2,51,600. और ये है फ्लेक्सिबल जोन और ये है फ्रीज़र. Thank you for watching the video. Please be sure to subscribe for more videos. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.